I'm not going to teach you perfect English. This is the English you can actually understand. You walk up to the counter. The cashier looks at you. You say, "I want a burger." The cashier understood you. You got your burger. That's a win. But here's what nobody talks about. What happens when they talk back? "I want a burger." No problem. That's what the textbook taught you. And the textbook is not wrong. For emails, for essays, for job applications, textbook English is exactly what you need. You already have that foundation. But in a burger place, a coffee shop, an airport, Americans don't say, "I want." They say, "Can I get a burger?" Same meaning, completely different feeling. Why does this matter? Not because I want to sound rude, not because you need to sound like a native speaker. Because when the cashier says, "Can I get a name for the order? Is that for here or to go? Do you want that combo?" You understand them. Because the words they use are the same words you just practiced. That's the real goal. Not perfect English. The English that keeps the conversation going. Now, let's practice. This is called shadowing. You're not memorizing. You're training your mouth to move before your brain has time to translate. Listen first, then say it with me. Can I get a burger? 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 Now at normal speed. Can I get a burger? You just said what an American says every single day. Now they talk back. This is the part most people freeze. The cashier looks at you and says, "Is that for here or to go?" You heard the words, but your brain needs 2 seconds to translate. Those 2 seconds, that's the freeze. Let's fix that right now. Listen first. Is that for here or to go? For here. You're eating inside. To go. You're taking it with you. That's it. 2 choices. Now you know what's coming. You'll never freeze on this one again. Repeat after me. For here. For here. To go. To go. Now the full question. Is that for here or to go? Is that for here or to go? Is that for here or to go? Normal speed. Is that for here or to go? Now you answer. Say it out loud. For here, please. For here, please. Or to go, please. To go, please. The cashier understood you. You understood them. The conversation didn't stop. That feeling? That's what we're here for. But they're not done yet. The cashier asks, "Do you want that as a combo?" Combo means burger, fries, and a drink, all together, usually cheaper. You say, "Yes, please," or "No thanks, just the burger." That's it. No extra words needed. This is American fast food culture. Fast, simple, efficient. Nobody says, "Yes, I would like to have the combo meal, please." That's perfect English. That's also 4 extra seconds nobody has time for. Repeat after me. Yes, please. Yes, please. No thanks. No thanks. Just the burger. Just the burger. Now, size. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large? You already know this. Medium, please. Medium, please. Large, please. Large, please. Medium, please. Normal speed. Medium, please. Here's the culture code. In a fast food place, a coffee shop, a casual store, short is respectful. Short means you understand how this works. Short means you've done this before.
Yes, please. Medium, please. To go, please. 1 or 2 words. The cashier hears this 50 times a day. They know exactly what you mean. You sound like you belong there. But in a job application, in an email to your professor, in a formal report, short is not respectful. Short sounds lazy. That's where your textbook English does exactly what it's supposed to do. I would like to express my interest in the position. I am writing to request. Same person, 2 different situations, 2 different codes. That's why we call it culture code. Now let's put the whole conversation together. From the beginning. Say it with me. Can I get a burger? To go, please. Yes, please. Medium, please. You just ordered lunch in America. No freezing, no translating, just talking. That feeling, remember it. Because that's what happens every time you use the right code for the right situation. You walked in. You ordered. You understood them. They understood you. The conversation kept going. That's not perfect English. That's better than perfect English. Let's go through it one more time. Full conversation, no stopping. Say it with me. Can I get a burger? Is that for here or to go? To go, please. Do you want that as a combo? Yes, please. What size? Medium, please. Can I get a name for the order? Mark. You just did that without thinking. That's not memorizing. That's your mouth knowing what to do before your brain says anything. That's shadowing. That's the culture code. Your textbook gave you the foundation. This gave you the key. Not perfect English. The English that keeps the conversation going. Next time you're at a counter, any counter, you already know what to say. And when they talk back, you'll understand that too. See you in the next one.